open cmd or command prompt, type pip install pywhatkit. After the installation finished, create a new Python file. Open it with your favorite text editor, import the pywhatkit library, and simply write pywhatkit.image to ASCII. We have two arguments here, one for the source of the image and other for the destination where we want to save our file. For the source of the image, I'm copying my logo path. Make sure you have write 2 backslashes. And for the destination, I'm saving this file here. For the source of the file, write the name of the picture. And for the destination, write another name. For example, logo.txt. Run this file in terminal. So you can see that we have created a new text file. Open the file and here you go, div. This is the text and this is the image.